Alright, welcome back to the channel. So you guys might be wondering why it's been a little bit since I uploaded a video on the Accord, but let's go inside and see why. Alright, so if you see in there, hold on, let me get the lighting back up. If you see inside that box is the RV6 high flow precats, but that's not really what's important here. It's this Rock Auto box. It has my clutch and flywheel. I got I don't know if it's Luke or Luck, but I got that clutch kit. It's basically an OEM alternative. It's a really good one, and it's fairly cheap. So definitely had to get it because of those reasons. But yeah, the car's been acting up, and rightfully so. The clutch is messed up bad. But the reason why I haven't been filming any videos lately was because the car doesn't run well. So I'm just gonna get the clutch replaced, and at the same time the high flow precats will be they're gonna be installed. So I just want to post that little update. Let's get this little cold start. Alright, so from this angle you can see one of the precats right there. So that's gonna be the main visible one you could see from that the RV6 is gonna replace. It's pretty big. It's right there. The other one I think is behind all this, so you're not really gonna be able to see it unless you're underneath the car. But I'm really looking forward to getting that rusty thing out of the car and then get some power gains with the high flow precat. I'm a little bit worried because it isn't my car or I am in California, so any little modification really does kind of get you on the feds watch list. And honestly, now my car is pretty illegal, so I gotta be careful. But pray for your boy. Also, look at that engine bay. It's pretty clean. I cleaned the top of the engine cover and all that a while ago, and it's still holding up, so I'm happy about that. Gotta check the oil before we go anywhere. Any Honda owners, especially the J series and K series, they know that these burn a lot of oil. Honestly, I think the J series takes the cake because they're V6s, but oil's good. Now we're just gonna warm up the car. Alright, so my Accord is at the mechanics. They're gonna get the clutch and the high flow precats installed. I can't wait for it to come back because it should feel a lot better, and it is gonna be more powerful because the high flow precats give about 10 wheel and 10 wheel torque. But anyways, before we get that back, I wanted to give an update on the S2000 because we made one video and that was literally it. But the reason for that is because this car has the same problem as my Accord. The clutch is bad, and it's been like this ever since buying the car because honestly we bought it in the peak of the pandemic, so everything was really backed up. All the clutch parts weren't in stock and all that, but we finally got the stuff, and the transmission's taken apart. We haven't started this thing in so long, so I kind of forgot, how it sounds and all that. But yeah, this clutch problem seems to run in the family because the S2000 is not running either. But once this is fully replaced and can start, we will definitely start making content on this. Make sure to let us know what you want to see from this car. But it is an AP1, so it does have the higher red line, and hopefully we can get some good content out of this. Maybe it could race my Accord. Honestly, it wouldn't be fair though because my car is now modded. I think they would have been a good run if my car was stock, But this is still a really cool car, and I'm really planning to make some more content with it, because so far we didn't have anything besides a walk around and like a startup. But anyways, sorry about that these videos not super eventful. It's mostly updates on the cars. But don't worry, once my car is back, we're going to be doing a lot more. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.